Hi! In front of me is Realme GT2 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it through Bluetooth. First of all, you need to access Settings and tap on Bluetooth. Then tap on this gray sweater next to Bluetooth feature in order to activate it. Finally, just wait for available devices to show, and when they do, click on the one that you wish to connect to. In my case, this one. All you need to do from here is select Pair in the pop-up and wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my devices were successfully connected. If you want to disconnect them, tap on this little icon next to the device. Select Unpair under device name. And to connect to the same one, just turn off Bluetooth, turn it back on, tap on the same device and select Pair again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!